Have you ever been told that you need dental treatment, but you weren't sure why? Or if you could even trust that you needed it? You shouldn't have to rely on blind trust to make a decision about your oral health. You deserve clarity, not confusion. That's why I do things differently. I'm Dr. Kevin Reardon at Reardon Dentistry in Elmhurst. I'm a restorative general dentist with hundreds of hours of advanced continuing education and a practice built around a single mission: to give you total clarity about what's going on in your mouth and to empower you to make decisions about your care in a zero pressure, zero judgment environment. If you've ever felt unsure, rushed, or sold to in a dental chair, stick around. I have something that you're probably going to want to hear. Now tell me if this sounds familiar. You go into the dentist for your cleaning, you get your gums poked at, and then you're yelled at for not flossing. Then the dentist comes in for 2 minutes and scrapes a couple teeth and says you need a few fillings, or maybe a crown or a night guard. Then they're gone. You're left confused, unsure about what even just happened. Of course you don't want to lose your teeth, but you don't want to drill into healthy teeth if it can be avoided, and dentistry is expensive. But you schedule treatment anyway to do work you don't even know you need, to fix problems you're not even sure that you have. I hear this story all the time, so let me just tell you, you're not alone. It's not that other dentists are trying to scam you, they're not. But the system isn't set up for clear, collaborative decision making, and I believe that you should have a say in the decision making process. Whether it's pressure from insurance companies, or corporate quotas, or just a broken healthcare model in general, the average dental appointment gives patients too little time, too little context, and zero real autonomy. You're told what you need to do, and then you're expected to say yes, without even being shown what's actually going on or what your options are. That creates pressure, doubt, and sometimes, unfortunately, even over-treatment. That's why at Reardon Dentistry, I created something different. At Reardon Dentistry, we start all of our new patients with what we call our signature smile assessment, a customized, comprehensive oral health assessment that puts you in the driver's seat. Now, you'll get the full picture of what's going on in your mouth and why. We'll walk you through every possible option, the pros, the cons, the timing, the risks, everything, so that when you make a decision, it's not based on pressure, it's based on truth. Now, this is a unique approach, and our patients agree that it has 3 main benefits. Number 1, it educates you so that we can make informed decisions together instead of relying on blind trust of me. Number 2, it slows things down so there's more doctor to patient time and no one ever feels rushed or pressured into anything. And finally, number 3, it allows us to be as minimally invasive as possible, because after a real conversation about your teeth and your options, we may actually decide that the best treatment is no treatment at all. Now, here's what's included if you schedule your appointment now. You'll get a comprehensive exam and one-on-one interview with me, where we'll spend on average 10 to 20 times more doctor to patient time than a typical new patient visit at other offices. This kind of focused, honest, collaborative conversation with the doctor is so important, but it's unfortunately becoming increasingly rare in healthcare. You'll also get comprehensive diagnostics, including 2D or 3D x-rays. We'll do intraoral scans of your mouth with AI software, and then we'll take some high-resolution photos with my camera, and then we'll take all of the clinical data, and I'll translate that into plain, understandable English for you. Then I'll create a personalized oral health blueprint, which is a visual summary of your current condition, key risk areas, and custom options based on what you want for your health and your smile. Now, if that wasn't already enough value for this promotion, I'm going to sweeten the deal by throwing in a premium electric toothbrush, which is yours to keep even if you don't move forward with or need any treatment. Now, on top of that, this is the most important part, you have a 100% satisfaction guarantee. If you don't walk away happy with more clarity than you've ever had at a dental visit, I'll refund the full cost of the assessment, and you still get to keep your toothbrush and the x-rays and your oral health blueprint too. That's how confident I am that you'll appreciate my approach. Now, because this level of care takes so much more of my time, we can only offer a limited number of these assessments each month so that I can continue to give my existing patients the attention that they deserve. So tap below if you're ready to finally understand what's happening in your mouth and take control of your oral health with zero pressure from me. Schedule your signature smile assessment today.